Hey, what's up, guys? How y'all doing today, baby? We're gonna talk tech and investing. Let's just get right to it. As you can see, my portfolio is absolutely ablaze. It's on fire. All thanks to one stock. Can you guess? Hell yeah. Yo, NIO is on fire. It's up 15% today, $4. It's insane the amount of volume it's getting right now. If we take a look at the option chain, for instance, $30, 128,316 volume. That's insane. It's not just that. 50K, 90K, 60K. There's thousands and thousands of people piling on top of NIO trying to get an inch of profits. Just flew this week. It literally just flew. And I was really sure that this was gonna happen. I didn't know it happened this week, but I could kind of smell it ever since it kind of took this dip. Even on I believe yesterday, it didn't dip as much as Tesla. Tesla was down about 5%. This dipped 3.3%. So it had a lot of strength even on the red days. It wasn't just absolutely destroyed. And my oh my, today it just doesn't even care. Just flying high as hell. But look at my portfolio, baby. It's not even this portfolio as well. It's my long term. My long term is basking, absolutely just bathing in profits. I own a lot of NIO, Tesla, and AMD. Those are like the only three stocks that I own. But let's talk about AMD. AMD actually got into like a little kind of debit spread. I got these for $44 a piece. Their debit spreads, I knew that AMD was doing like ever since they released their graphics cards yesterday. I knew that they're like super hot. The market is up today, and if you can see on the week that the lowest they went was $76. So I was pretty sure that a $75.5 call was going to be absolutely solid. I don't think I would have lost, especially with the market being green. The red day wouldn't have taken it that far down. Just quick $30, I could put that towards a NIO stock or more plays in the future. But all of my NIO debit spreads are absolutely on fire. This one, if you remember, I got two, I believe, and I'm already up. I got these for 45. I remember I was at a loss last time in my Robinhood portfolio review. I was at a loss. They were at 0.4. Now they're at 0.6, on fire. All my NIO debit spreads are all in the money except for this one. I wish I grabbed more. This dipped to like 10. This dipped to like $9, $10, $12, and it's at 30. Wait, let me go back. Now it's at 30. That's crazy. Wow. I got these for 17 personally. I was contemplating adding on the dips to $10, $9. I should have. I kind of regret it, but I'm you can't be greedy. You never know. But NIO's absolutely just rocking it. Tesla, on the other hand, it's all right. It's a little bit slow. Honestly think Tesla should be flying high as well. I mean, FSD beta videos are out. It should like that's truly groundbreaking stuff. And I don't know, Tesla's kind of sluggish. But NIO, man, NIO's kind of my new baby. It's like, look at all these gains, bro. I even on my timeline on Twitter, I've seen a lot of people just happy and absolutely just bathing in profits. But that's beautiful. So this AMD debit spread, it's expiring tomorrow. AMD is around $78.9, $79 basically. So I'm fine with this $30 profit. Just booked really quickly at their lows. All my NIO debit spreads are all in the money. I can't wait till expiration, like December 4th. The earliest I have is December 4th. I wanted them all long term in case the election. Like I said in my last portfolio review, that I was scared for the election volatility. Looking at the market and just looking at everything in general, I think the market's pricing in a Biden victory. I'm not trying to get political. I'm just saying that I think it's pricing in a Biden victory. I don't really support any side. But anyways, November is going to be a hot month with October deliveries, November earnings, November deliveries. All my January contracts are going to be absolutely on fire. NIO, $32, baby. Almost at $32. It's insane. Look at it. I look at the growth. Like if I could send one message back in time, I'd say buy at 238. Please. Just buy at the lows. Just buy at $1. Buy NIO at $1. That would have been insane if you would have predicted that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love all of y'all. We're at like 13 subscribers, almost to 15, baby. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching me, spending time with me. How's your day though? I didn't ask that in the beginning. How's your day? Let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want me to talk on, what you want me to speak on in my videos. What would you like to see more of? Anyways, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.